किलर स्क्वाड्रन की ओर से अब निशान अधिकारी लेफ्टिनेंट युधि सुहाग को राष्ट्रपति का निशान प्राप्त होगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a golden moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for. It is indeed a red letter day for the Indian Navy and the Killer Squadron. This prestigious moment that you have witnessed today will remain etched in our memory for a very long time to come.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President's Standard will now receive the Rashtra Salute. All are requested to rise. Personnel in uniform are required to salute.
निशान को राष्ट्रीय सलाम समाप्त। राष्ट्रपति का निशान अंदर लाओ। निशान चले बंगाल शस्त्र। निशान चले मध्य से तेज चल।
देवियों और सज्जनों, किलर स्क्वाड्रन को भारत के राष्ट्रपति की ओर से मिलने वाला यह सर्वोच्च सम्मान निशान स्क्वाड्रन के पिछले 50 वर्षों में हमारी महान राष्ट्र के प्रति किए गए सराहनीय सेवा की मान्यता है।
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आप अपने स्थान ग्रहण कर सकते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, the personnel in charge of the pile of drums are now removing the drums to complete the consecration ceremony.
देवियों और सज्जनों, भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति अब परेड को संबोधित करेंगे।
Governor of Maharashtra Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar ji, distinguished guests, officers and men on parade, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be with you on this momentous occasion to award the President's Standard to the 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron of the Indian Navy. I would like to congratulate all officers and sailors associated with the squadron for achieving this feat. I compliment you for the impressive parade and impeccable turnout. The timing of this award could not have been more befitting as our nation is celebrating Swarnim Vijay Varsh. The presentation of the standard is a testimony to the exceptional service rendered by officers and sailors, past and present, of this squadron to our nation. The 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron has undertaken a steady journey over the past 5 decades. The glorious history of this squadron began in 1970 with the induction of 8 ships of OSA-1 from the USSR. Known for their speed and firework, these ships played a crucial role in the 1971 war. Just 4 days ago, on December 4, we celebrated the Navy Day. As we know, Navy Day is celebrated on that day to commemorate the successful naval actions in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal during 1971 war. Operations Trident and Python saw our ships sinking Pakistan naval ships on the western seaboard and striking a lethal blow to the enemy war effort. 50 years ago, on this day, the 8th of December, killer squadron ships set ablaze the Karachi harbour, crippling enemy morale, enforcing blockade on Karachi and achieving total sea control. The fact that these ships, primarily acquired for shore defense, turned out to be the most potent offensive strike force for our Navy in battle symbolizes the sharpness and bravery of our Navy personnel. Over the years, the Killers Squadron has constantly evolved through the induction of Veer and Prabal class of ships. I am happy to note that the Prabal class ships are built in India. It showcases the Navy's commitment towards indigenization and our vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. I look at this commitment of the Navy as a tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is regarded by many historians as the founder of India's battle-ready naval force in the 17th century. I am happy to note that the squadron has earned several honors and awards for conspicuous gallantry and distinguished service. This includes Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra and Nausena medals, which is a proof of the bravery of the killer squadron. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that the ships of this squadron have been deployed for a multitude of operations. They are securing our maritime borders through mission-based deployments. They are also undertaking diplomatic missions in the Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf and anti-piracy operations. Our nation is a maritime nation and our Navy has a huge role to play in furtherance of our foreign policy and in protecting our national interests and commercial aspirations. It is a matter of great satisfaction that the Indian Navy has been successfully safeguarding our maritime interests with resolve and tenacity. A large share of global maritime trade transits through the Indian Ocean region. Therefore, maintaining peace and tranquility in this region is of paramount importance, not only for us, but also for the entire global community. Today, as one of the largest navies in the world, the Indian Navy is looked upon by our maritime neighbors as a preferred security partner in the Indian Ocean region. The emerging geopolitical challenges in the Indo-Pacific region present India with an opportunity to play a pivotal role. As one of the leading navies of this region, I am told that the Indian Navy has invested significant effort in meeting all regional commitments and furthering our engagements with partners in the Indo-Pacific. I am happy to note that the Indian Navy has also been at the forefront to render assistance to the people during humanitarian crises or natural disasters within the country and beyond. The Navy played a critical role in repatriation of Indian citizens during COVID-19 and rescue operations during Cyclone Taukte. Your extraordinary efforts in hazardous sea conditions have brought relief and solace to many fellow citizens and their families. I congratulate all of you for your untiring efforts in providing relief and hope to the people facing calamity, distress, and hostile situations. Ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion, I would like to congratulate all veterans and serving personnel of the squadron for your great service to the nation. I am told that some of the veterans who have been part of Operation Trident during the 1971 war are also present here with us. Let us express our admiration for them with a big round of applause. You have served the nation with great honor and distinction. Your untiring efforts and sacrifices have made our nation stronger and safer. I also pay homage to the brave sailors and officers who made supreme sacrifice defending the nation. India will forever remain grateful to them and their families. I wish the 22nd Missile Vessel Squadron of the Indian Navy the very best for the future. The nation is proud of you. I wish you and your families a glorious future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
देवियों और सज्जनों, जैसे ही माननीय राष्ट्रपति को राष्ट्रीय सलामी दी जाएगी, बैंड राष्ट्रगान बजाएगा। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाएं और वर्दी में सभी नौसैनिक और अधिकारी सलामी दें।
राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट। सलामत चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, all personnel are requested to be seated now.
राष्ट्रपति रामनाथ कोविंद द्वारा 22वीं मिसाइल वेसल स्क्वाड्रन को राष्ट्रपति निशान प्रदान किए।